Hello traders. In today's final video of this series, we are looking at the Dynamic Zone Stochastic Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool enhances the traditional stochastic oscillator by replacing fixed levels with dynamic adaptive channels. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see, the indicator displays in a separate window on a 0 to 100 scale. You will see a stochastic based line moving within colored dynamic channel. If you look closer, you'll see a green line. This is a stochastic based line and it will be very important. Now the upper bands and lower bands, if you follow my cursor, the one below, that is the lower band, represent the adaptive oversold zone, while the upper band represents the adaptive overbought zone. Now, how do you use this to get your signals? When the stochastic crosses over the lower dynamic line or level, it generates a bullish signal. As you can see here, if you look very closely, you see the stochastic line crossing below, full and followed by bullish momentum. It happens here again and here. Now for bearish setup, when it crosses over the upper band, you'll see a bearish momentum, as we can see here, a bearish momentum. And if you notice, the bands are adjusting to suit or to adapt to the current price movement, because these zones adapt to current market conditions. They are less susceptible to producing false signals compared to fixed 80 and 20 levels. Now we move over to the settings. We'll find the period for the stochastic line and Bollinger Band, and also for the EMA, which will be our blue line, that is our EMA line. I can adjust the colors. The default settings are designed for general use across all frameworks or time frames, and you can adjust the underlying parameters to fine-tune the width and responsiveness of the dynamic channels. The Dynamic Zone Stochastic is ideal for traders who like the stochastic oscillator but want a more adaptive approach to overbought and oversold identification. It works on any time frame and currency pair. However, it is a visual tool only and does not execute trades. In strong trends, the stochastic may stay within one zone for extended periods, so it is best used alongside trend confirmation tools. False signals can still occur, and additional analysis is always recommended. You can download the indicator from the link in the description below on the Forex Geek. Subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell for more trading content.